Welcome back to another crypto video. Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to another jacobcrypobury video. Today we're going to look at something very interesting. I'm trying to tap into more sort of DeFi projects that are pretty much not really touched by many other people in the crypto industry, because I want to look at projects that have the maximum upside potential from day one of launch. And today, one of the friends of mine actually in the Discord channel, which you should join down in the description below, it's completely free, recommended me to look at this particular project. So I thought I would have a look at it today. And it's Nereus Finance, which is actually part of Wirex. And I want to have a look at this particular protocol because it's very interesting. I think it has massive potential for long-term growth in the future, and it has a real strong utility as a governance token in the DeFi space, and also has a nice crossover with the metaverse, as you can see here. So meet Nereus. So Nereus protocol is a decentralized non-custodial liquidity market. Deposit, borrow, stake, and lend. Almost sounds like Aave, doesn't it? So building a protocol where everybody adds value, and we've got a nice little white paper which we'll hop into in a moment. So first of all, guys, please just smash that subscribe button as well if you're new here. It would be great if you could join the community, leave a like down below, and let me know what you think. So Wirex here, as we can see, they have some different products and services. So they have a currency exchange, they have a card, crypto transfers, payments, Wirex token, which is their native token, and also a lot of security. So introducing the multi-currency Wirex card, it's the payment card that makes crypto and traditional currencies equal. Real-time point of sale conversion, zero exchange fees, and up to 2% cryptocurrency rewards in all spending. So it makes you think of Crow as well, but I think this has much more upside potential. And the fact that the Wirex are giving WXT tokens to Nereus to get started, it's really good to see this product launch, and I think it's going to have massive scope, massive potential for growth as well. So we can see, they have the multi-currency Wirex card, zero exchange fees on FX, hassle-free sharing, so you can send money to your contacts in seconds, no wallet address, account details, etc. So it's really awesome to see. And this is the Nereus Finance, which is going to be part of Wirex there. So as we can see, this is the Wirex token, which is trading at $0.004 right now. And if we hit that 1 year, we can see, the price has came down quite a bit from back in April 2021, of course, which was a massive euphoric and very greedy phase. So now is potentially a great time to be accumulating within this undervaluation sort of phase here. But the main things I wanted to look at with the Wirex token is these 14 points are extremely bullish, and they really sell me the project. As we can see, Wirex had the first crypto debit card. They're veterans in the crypto world. WXT is Wirex and now Nereus utility token. Nereus didn't have a pre-sale, private sale. Wirex gave them 5 billion WXT to make Nereus. Nereus is also made on the Avalanche blockchain. Governance will not matter by how many tokens you own, so there is no such thing as if you have 90% of the market share, it doesn't mean that you have the dominance and the control. It will be in a way that every man can vote, every man, every woman, doesn't matter how many tokens you got. It's it's the value is equal, and no single individual can control Nereus. Nereus Finance is going to start this week, guys. So this is super exciting. If you can get into this opportunity, not financial advice, but usually when the project just launches is a fantastic time to start actually putting a little bit of money in just at the start, as we'll probably go immediately into the price discovery, and it's not on any exchanges just yet, which is really cool. On Nereus, you can stake, lend, and borrow. We've got the Wirex app and also a Wirex wallet. WXT is low and far from its all-time high, as we literally just saw a moment ago. So yeah, it's really cool to see all these benefits. Got NFT collections. Nereus had memes contest, which also finished today. So they're already building the exposure through their social platforms and things like that. So if we check out their Twitter page, you can see over here, Nereus protocol, the decentralized non-custodial liquidity market. And I think this is really exciting, guys. So as we can see, already 5.2k people on the watch list on CoinGecko, 11.4 people on the coin market cap. So people are absolutely ready. Some cool Nereus and WXT statistics, and this is going to be super exciting. And I think Nereus Finance can take off really well. So this is the website here of Nereus Finance, Nereus Protocol, and the white paper we've got right here. Let's just hop into it, shall we? So we can see on the staking side of things, staking and locking, how does staking work with Nereus? Staking is recognized as a crucial force of maintaining liquidity, loyalty, and rewarding participants. Nereus will offer an attractive reward to those that stake WXT within the protocol. By committing WXT, staking users will receive 50% of the protocol revenue. Staked funds may be withdrawn at any time, so there's no actual, fixed, nothing like that. No 3-month, 6-month lock-in, nothing like that. And here you can see here, stake or lock WXT. So if you stake your WXT, you'll earn platform fees only, and then you can exit any time. With the locking WXT, you'll earn and you'll get platform fees and also penalty fees as well if you do withdraw at any time. So it really depends if you're in for the long run or if you're in for, the quick buck, so to speak. We also have a look at why Nereus over here. Nereus believes, let's start at the top. So while experts are increasingly confident that decentralized finance will become an established force within Web 3.0, doubts remain about how decentralized finance can scale effectively while maintaining a truly independent governance model. So we can see here, it's based on the Aave open source code, just like we mentioned before. The aim is not to reinvent the decentralized finance, but rather to improve existing protocols in anticipation of mass market adoption. So improving the transaction speeds, the scalability, the product offering, and the services as a whole. So this is really good. This is like a competitor to Aave right here, and I think Nereus has so much potential. Variable and fixed yield markets, which is really nice there. And we can also hop in to the roadmap. So phase 1 with dynamic APR, phase 2 fixed rate APR, phase 3 is the innovative governance, and phase 4 is the synthetic tokens. So dynamic APR, Nereus will launch with variable APRs based on staking and locking, aimed at providing users with flexibility and high yield return. Fixed rate APR, fixed rate of return, widening the appeal of the protocol for the next billion users of Web 1.30. So this allows them to stake and lock with comfort fixed returns. Innovative governance, a new participatory governance structure voted for by the users. So it's really community value. People will have their say, the voice will be heard, the opinion will matter with any decision going forward. And synthetic tokens, a further evolution of DeFi by leveraging synthetic tokens, maximizing opportunities and return potential for Nereus users. So this is really cool. We can also see they've got some, bridging as well. So you can bridge WXT to Ethereum and Avalanche. And I think this is amazing. I'd like to see a bit on the tokenomics for Nereus. Can't actually see any, but WXT tokenomics here. Within the partnership with Wirex, Nereus Protocol owns 5 billion WXT, which is 50% of the total supply. The remaining 50% has been previously purchased or distributed within the Wirex ecosystem. So this is really important to know. 10 billion total supply, 50% Wirex, 50% on Nereus. Total supply is 10 billion, so we can see that split right there. And the Nereus Protocol WXT funds planned allocation. So 40% incentive allocation for lenders and borrowers released over a period of 5 years, 20% incentive allocation for WXT, AvaX, WXT, ETH, liquidity providers released over a period of years. So I don't think this is going to be a rug pullable project at all. And this is really, really quite an interesting one to see. Rewards and airdrops too. So there's going to be rewards, airdrops, the official bridge. I think this is very nice. You've got the decentralized exchange here, as we can see, using the Ethereum mainnet, and it's bridging over to the Avalanche ecosystem, which is pretty cool to see. You've got the smart contracts right here as well, and it's just a solid platform. I'm really excited to see this one launch. I think it's going to be absolutely mind-blowing, and just the website already, it just looks extremely teasing. Really want to see more of what this platform has to offer, Nereus Finance. So if you're not sure what this project is, keep an eye on it when it launches sometime this week, I believe, and I think it's going to be absolutely incredible. Again, these are 14 reasons why Nereus is going to be a strong project and why you should potentially get involved with it. And I think this is definitely one I'm going to dabble with, the Nereus Finance protocol, because it's not launched and it's going to be, a completely new token. And once it does get onto the bigger exchanges, you're going to see it climb up those, ranks, just like when you find a gem early on. I mean, think of things like PancakeSwap, Solana, Phantom, all of these great projects that kicked off, and you only heard about them once they already did a 1000% and beyond increase. So this could be one of those great projects where early on it has massive growth potential, and if you do get in early and you stake, there can be not only massive potential for return on APY, but also on your initial investment. If the coin goes up by 10%, or sorry, 100%, or even 1000%, then not only are you profiting from your yield, but you're going to profit from your initial investment as well. So that's why it's always good to get the best entry when it comes to any sort of yielding AMM or decentralized exchange or providing liquidity. You want to get in at the best moment, not the top, because when you get in the top, you are the last part of the herd to receive that information. Anything you read on social media, for instance, you're the last person to basically receive that information, which is not really doing you any favors. So this is why I made this video today, because you're probably the first people ever to even hear about this project. So pat on the back to me, pat on the back to the guy from Discord that did show me this. Thank you very much for highlighting that, and I think this is a fantastic project. I can't wait to see it launch, and I can't wait to get involved. Super good. And that's about a wrap, guys. So also just want to say thank you to the patrons, Mub, Peter Alp, Cara, Jordan Barber. If you do want to become a patron, you can literally become a patron for the price of a coffee. You're going to receive a free ebook, Discord access, one-on-one messaging, and much, much more. So do jump into that. As you can see here, price of a coffee. I'd be very, very grateful if you were to do that. And that's about a wrap, guys. So Wirex, Nereus, super bullish already, and it's not even launched. I really can't wait to see this one hit the market. I think it's going to be amazing. So thanks for checking out the video. See you in the next one. Boosh, hit that subscribe button, and see you soon.